Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure you know the passcode and the phone is awake. Enter your passcode to unlock because many power-off options are limited from the lock screen. Once unlocked, you can use settings or the hardware buttons. Make sure your fingers are steady on the side and volume keys. You'll need them for the next step. This avoids delays and ensures you won't be forced into emergency modes when trying to power down. Once done unlocking, open Settings, tap General, then choose Shut Down to bring up the power off slider. This avoids pressing buttons awkwardly. Alternatively, press and hold side plus a volume button until the slider appears. Make sure you hold both simultaneously for 1 to 2 seconds. If Face ID stalls, the unlocked passcode state ensures these options work. These methods prevent accidental emergency SOS calls and give you a clean shutdown pathway you control. To finish, drag the power off slider fully to the right. The screen will go black and the device shuts down. Make sure you wait a few seconds. Do not immediately press buttons. If the screen is frozen and the slider won't respond, perform a force restart. Quickly press volume up, quickly press volume down, then hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. If problems persist, charge and retry. And make sure your passcode is correct before reattempting or contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.